Good morning from a beautiful day up at the dams. Isn't it gorgeous? Is it? There could be somebody else coming along. I have no idea because we can't see. That's literally as far as you can see. It's very eerie. Glad it's not Halloween's day. That's all I can say. So, I'm out with the dogs this morning, and that's my view of the dams. Stunning though, isn't it? Oh, you can just hear a duck. What? What is it? Standing on the old pier. There's Tiny, Milo, Max. There's 3 mine. Up, and the 4th one, there we go. So yeah, that's where we are this morning. Everyone's running, my nose is running, my eyes are running. It is freezing, but it's beautiful. Look at the sun. So, whatever you're doing, have a nice day. I will go and try and find my way around here with them this morning. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye!